Mexico City's influence as a Latin American sneaker and fashion hub strengthens in 2025, drawing major brands to its vibrant cultural scene. Jordan brand follows 2024's Air Jordan 5 El Grito with the Air Jordan 3 Mexico, inspired by the country's lucha libre tradition. Launching September 2025, the design channels the bold energy of wrestling masks through snakeskin textures, jagged leather overlays, bright red toe and heel guards, green ankle collars, and gold metallic Jumpman logos. Special packaging replicates vintage lucha libre posters found on Mexico City streets and newspapers, while the insole carries the saying Más vale maña que fuerza, brains are better than brawn. Blending patriotic colors, exotic materials, and deep cultural storytelling, this edition bridges sport, heritage, and streetwear.